Hello, dear students. Today we are going to start the third chapter of your English textbook, and the name of the chapter is Three Men in a Boat. So, before we start the chapter, let us first know about this chapter. This chapter is basically an extract taken from the novel Three Men on a Boat to Say Nothing of the Dog. And the writer of this novel is Jerome K. Jerome. And this novel is written in the year 1888 in London, and it was published in the year 1889. So, in this novel, we'll read about three friends, okay, and there is also a dog. We shall also read about it. So, let's begin the chapter. The speaker and his two friends plan a travel in the story. Montmorency, their dog, silently observes. So, before the starting of this extract, the writer in this sentence has given us a description of this story. Okay, so what did he wrote? He wrote that the speaker, that means the writer, is also mentioned in the story, and his two friends, they are planning a travel. Okay, they are planning for a tour in the story, and their dog Montmorency, and their dog, what it's doing, it's sitting silently and listening to them and observing them. Okay, so let's begin the chapter. There were four of us: George and William Samuel Harris and myself and Montmorency. We were sitting in my room and talking about how bad we were, bad from a medical point of view. I mean, of course. So the writer is telling that they were four. Who were they? The speaker, his friend George, his another friend, William Samuel Harris, and the dog and his dog Montmorency. They were sitting, they all were sitting in the speaker's room, and they were talking about their health condition. They were discussing that they are physically not fit, and no, they are sure that they are not fine. We were all feeling seedy, and we were getting quite nervous about it. So they were thinking that they all were feeling unwell. CD का मतलब होता है unwell, and we were getting quite nervous about it, and they were nervous about this condition, about their condition. Three of us felt such extraordinary fits of giddiness come over us at times that we hardly knew what we were doing. Three of us felt such extraordinary fits of giddiness. The writer here is telling that three of us, that means except the dog, the three friends, they were feeling an extraordinary giddiness का मतलब होता है the feeling that everything is moving and that you are going to fall, मतलब सर चकराना जिसको हम बोलते हैं. So they were feeling some sort of this thing, and this happened to them at the same time that we hardly knew what we were doing, and it is quite difficult for them to know that what they were doing, okay, and what is the reason behind it. With me, it was my liver that was out of order. I knew it was my liver that was out of order because I had just been reading a patient liver pill circular in which we were detailed the various symptoms by which a man could tell when his liver was out of order. I had them all. तो बेसिकली राइटर यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि उनके साथ उनके लीवर का डिसऑर्डर था. वो लीवर के पेशेंट थे, और वो एक दूसरे पेशेंट का वो लिवर पिल सर्कुलर का डिटेल्स, वो लीवर का डिटेल्स पढ़ रहे थे. ओके, लीवर के बीमारी का डिटेल्स पढ़ रहे थे, और पढ़ने के बाद वो लीवर के बीमारी का जो सिम्टम्स होता है, ठीक है, तो जो सिम्टम्स होता है वह सब सिम्टम्स
राइटर बोल रहे हैं कि उनके साथ भी है, उसका मतलब ये भी राइटर भी लीवर के बीमार है, शिकार, लीवर के बीमारी का शिकार है, ठीक है। सो डे स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे अप टू दिस, द नेक्स्ट डे वी शिल स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट पैरा. I hope you all have understood. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me, you can text me, or you can call me. You have my number. Till then, you write the word meanings which you have in the book, which you have in page number 23. Write down those word meanings in your English one main copy, and understand the paras which I have explained today. Thank you.